red, white, and blue cherry cheesecake. Alright, hey y'all, thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, I am making red, white, and blue, or attempting to make a red, white, and blue cherry cheesecake. I've made this cherry cheesecake before, I'm pretty sure, on this channel, probably back last Christmas. Can't be for certain on that. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and make it again today for Memorial Day, and if you've got time, you can make this today. Hopefully I'll get this video out real quick, and if not, then maybe you can make it for 4th of July. So, real simple. You don't need a whole lot of ingredients at all, and it's just real easy. It's not a baked cheesecake. It's a no-bake cheesecake, but it's really, really simple one. So, and delicious, or at least I think so. All right, so start off with 1 brick of softened cream cheese. Make sure that you leave it out at room temperature. It makes life a lot easier. All right, let's start off by just kind of beating this up. For that, I'm going to add a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Since we're doing cherry cheesecake, I'm going to do a teaspoon of almond extract. I'm going to blend that up real quick. 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. You can use granulated sugar if you don't have any powdered sugar. It's fine. The texture just be a little different, all. Splash of lemon juice. And a splash of, it doesn't matter, it can be heavy cream, it can be half and half, it can be milk. But you just want to start off with a little at a time. I take that back. We need a cup of powdered sugar. So there's another half. And I'm going to just put in about half of this mixture, and you'll see why. Okay, this step is totally optional. You can take a couple of drops. I'm going to start off with that amount. Again, this step is optional. You can leave out the food coloring. You can either spread it to have 2 different layers, or you can swirl it in. To make it easy on myself, I'm just doing it in 2 layers. I'm not going to swirl it. Next, let's take a can of cherry pie filling. You can leave it like that, or you can take about 1/2 of an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip and spread on the top. And top it with some sprinkles. Stick this in the refrigerator and refrigerate it at least 2 hours, 2 to 4 preferably. Mine's probably going to be in here more like 7. And there's your quick, simple red, white, and blue cherry cheesecake. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I hope you all have a blessed Memorial Day. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.